Good morning, Chris at Ujoint. Quick video on this van that came down was from Minnesota. It's a 96 E350 7.3. Customer did an 08 front clip swap and brought it here for the four-wheel drive conversion. So normal stuff, rebuilt, updated, and four-wheel drive converted transmission. This one has an E4OD, NV271 behind that, 1350 CV drive shafts front and rear. Got a stage 2 front Dana 60, 430 gears on this one, Detroit True Track with the RSC upgrade. If you're not familiar with the RSC upgrade, check out our axle page on the website. So this van obviously does not have RSC. It doesn't have the roll stability control, but we can add the hard parts to any van. So you get the the bigger brakes, 35 spline axle shafts, serviceable wheel bearings. It's all good stuff. It's all worth the money. 35 1250 17 Toyo AT2s on some ATX wheels. It's a new wheel from them. I like it a lot. Springs respect for the weight of the actual camper. Customer also made, sorry for the shadow, it's early, some sliders with some built-in amp steps. We're going to get those wired for them. Van has our full OBA system. Stock rear bumper for now. 430 gears in the back as well, with a zip locker and 35 spline axle shaft conversion. This thing's ready for adventure. Ujointoffroad.com. Got any questions, leave it in the comments or shoot me an email, Chris at ujointoffroad.com. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Quick reminder, none of these vans are for sale. We build vans spec to the customer. If we have one for sale, we'll let you know. Thanks for the support.